Welcome. I'd like to introduce you today to the Voices Heard Media iPhone template. I will be showing you the features and functionality of our platform with the example of the show Lost. When I click on the icon, I'm quickly taken to a splash page. As a new user, I will be asked to register. The first thing I will be asked to do is enter in my username to be added to the passenger manifest. On each one of these pages, you will notice the opportunity for a sponsor. I'm next asked for my email address so that I can manage my account and can be notified when others answer my questions. A few other the things that we asked for to participate are the date of birth, the zip code, and the country, followed by the password. Now to jump into the application, I'm going to enter in my username and password. The first thing I'm taken to is the seasons page. Each one of the seasons, past and current, listed of the show Lost. Each one of the seasons has its title and image icon located next to it. Once I go into an individual season, I'm taken to the episodes page. You'll notice that each one of the episodes is in descending order with their title next to it, as well as this green chevron. This actually takes me to an information page, showing me a picture of the episode as well as a short description. From here, I'll enter into our question and answer community for this particular episode. The first thing you see is that I'm asked if I'm currently watching the episode. Some of the other things you'll notice are the sorts at the top of our application. The most popular sort basically lists the questions in descending order by the total score. So the most positive up, minus, its votes down. The most recent tab actually shows the questions that were asked the latest. And the hot tab is a little bit different than the most popular tab in that it is actually a determination of the absolute number of votes. In other words, if this question had 50 up and 50 down, it would be not that highly ranked on the popular tab, but would have a lot of vote and activity around it. Now to ask a question, I simply click on the Ask It screen and type in my question. And you will notice that my question is now within the list. Some of the other features down at the bottom that are navigation tools for the user are the ability to go to the About page, which shows a little more information about the application as well as who's the sponsor. My profile page, showing my username and allowing me to change it, as well as my email address and password. Some of the other features that we were adding is the user has the ability to add an avatar or image of themselves, as well as this page will show the user what their total points and score are. From here, I can actually search throughout the seasons and episodes for something of interest. I will also be able to jump to a Top Users tab that basically lists out the users in order by their ranking according to their points earned. And from here, we'll be able to jump back to the episodes page within my particular season. Now, to answer a question, I simply click on the Answer It. If I'm the first one to answer it, you'll notice the question at the top and the ability then to pop up in the keyboard to ask my question. Answer this question. From here, I'm taken back to the last tab that I was on before I answered the question. And as well as you'll notice that one answer has now been added. Now, if we go to a question that already has answers, you'll see that it lists out the answers below. The person has asked it as well, and the ability for me to rate these answers. To add my own answer, I simply go to the top and type in my answer. One of the other features I don't want to forget is the ability to share this answer so that I can pass this around and create a viral marketing network of people driving my friends and other Lost fans back to this event. These features include email, Twitter, Facebook, MySpace, Digg, and Delicious. The final feature to show you is the advertising and sponsorships enlisted throughout our application. Every 4 questions, an advertisement is listed. From here, I can actually click on this advertisement and be taken directly to that advertiser's page. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation of our Voices Heard Media iPhone template and look forward to being able to work with you and answer any questions that you might have. Thank you for your time.